Start on my mark.
Oh, here we go. Release the beast. Whoa. Yes, tunnel. Woo! Hey, it's Morgan from I Want That. I've had 2 days to learn how to fly this drone, and now I have to race against some of the top guys in the country. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself. Going up here, whoa! My pre-ride of the course ended very badly. I think I hit someone, so yeah, not promising.
You guys follow around. You're going to be in the first heat because they wanted you in there. So
who did?
First heat, right? You want him in the first heat.
What? So clearly I still need a ton of help learning how to fly, so we brought in the help of Jake and Paul from Drone Racing League.
Dude, we're pumped to be here. Let's see what you got.
So talk to me about the fatshark 101 kit. Why is it a good entry-level kit for someone starting out?
So drones are complicated, right? Like, you know, you can buy like 1,000 different combinations of parts. You have to solder stuff together. Like, it's intimidating, right? When you come across something like the fatshark 101 kit, where everything is kind of pre-packaged into one thing, where everything just works together, that is a great entry point for someone that's wanting to learn how to get into FPV. I mean, that's why it's the fatshark 101. It's a good place to start. 3, 2, 1, go. Much better.
When you're trying to pick up speed, you're giving it more throttle, but you're not pitching forward, and that's why you're going up into the ceiling. Yeah, so give it more throttle, and at the same time, push right stick forward more, and that'll tilt the quad more.
Ah! Oh, he's committed. He's going right at us. Ah. There you go. There you go.
Next
that was beautiful.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
All right, guys, so I am doing this race in like less than 4 hours. What do you guys think I should be thinking about before I go?
So there's some nerves, like don't worry about that. Like drone racers love to hang out. It's all about the camaraderie. It's about having everybody, you know, be together and flying and racing and competing and drinking and having a good time. So like, you know, at the end of the day, it's gonna be a blast. Don't worry about how you do or how other people are doing. Just fly your own race.
Safety third competition heat about to start. Pilots, start on my mark. Go!
All right, first gate I hit. Oh, I'm out of control. All right. I'm gonna call it.
Nice try. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
That concludes heat 1, round 3.
It was a hell of a lot harder than I thought it would be. I was cocky as hell going into it. But barring all that, it was a ton of fun.
Are you gonna race again? That's what matters.
100%, I'd totally do it again.
Awesome.
Yeah. So thank you guys so much for helping me out. It was quite the journey, and yeah, I'm hooked.